बृहस्पते प्रसूता स्थानो मुञ्चन्त्वहुं स्वाहा ॐ या फलिनेर्या अपला पुष्पायाश्च पुष्पिणेः बृहस्पते प्रसूता स्थानो मुञ्चन्त्वहुम् असस् स्वाहा श्रीमहागणाधिपतिर्नमः ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त सर्वमंगलानि भवन्तु महाबाली महाजनेभ्यः सुख शांतिरस्तु वृद्धिरस्तु अभिष्टमस्तु आरोग्यमस्तु दृढकायतमस्तु सर्व ऐश्वर्याभिवृद्धिरस्तु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः
There are prayers, but in Bali there is no vacuum for prayers. So today, in this island of gods, in this great location today, we are blessed to have a great opportunity to be in part of all international community where Ganesha Puja is celebrated in this particular month. Ganesha Puja is celebrated across the globe from north to south, east to west. Ganesha is a very important figure in Hinduism because Ganesha is the lord of Vigna Vinayaka, means he removes all our troubles. He is Gananayaka, the leader of gods. So Ganesha is the only Lord who has got a great gift from the Lord Brahma. He says that you are the only person, there is no prayers in Hindu community or in Hinduism without offering prayers to Lord Ganesh. If you think of Lord Ganesh, you make a wish, you pray for him, whatever you think will happen. There is no doubt in this. Vakratunda, Mahakarya. Mahakarya means great power. Vakratunda Mahakarya. Surya Koti Samaprabha. Surya is sun. Koti, millions. Surya Koti Samaprabha. You are equivalent to 1,000 suns. Vakratunda Mahakarya. Surya Koti Samaprabha. Nirvignam Kurume Deva. Means in Bali you say Avignamastu. Avignamastu means I should not have any problems. Everything must be lanchar, everything must be straight, everything must be good. Avignam kurume deva sarva karyeshu sarvada. Whatever I ask you, you will give. So that is why Lord Ganesha is very popular figure. Today in India, in Mumbai, in Bangalore, in south of India, north of India, you find Lord Ganesha with a huge pendants, 100 foot, 200 foot, 300 foot. There's a celebrations going on for weeks and months. So we are blessed that we have a great senator like Dr. Arya Vedakarna, who is spreading and helping our Hindus to survive in this globe. Especially, I thank from my bottom of heart to the World Hindu Youth Organization, who is continuously proceeding with this Ganesha Chaturthi. Most probably, I think this will go in more numbers from years to come. I wish you all the best for the future years also. Please give a big round of applause to our Senator, Dr. Arya Vedakarna, who makes this happen every year without fail. Come may what, however he is busy, he says, he's just like Krishna. He said, Just let us karmanye vadikaraste mapaneshu kadachana. He says, let us not expect any results from anybody. Let us do our karma. It is for the people, it is for the God to give us the blessings, and everything will happen. So he says, he is a man of action. I wish our senator, he goes to a very big position in the future, and still Astunkara, with Lord Ganesha's help, he will lead Bali to a very big place, and this celebration will happen in the Parliament House in Bali one day. I think it will happen. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining today. Thank you, our Senator, Dr. Arya Vedakarna, for organizing this program continuously, and all the students. Namaskar. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you very much. Panditya, please.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, acara dilanjutkan dengan persembahan tari Rejang Dewa. Untuk itu kami persilakan.
Bunga masuk.